Welcome back, guys. I don't know, it's your girl Kimmy, and everybody know it's been a while. We haven't posted any video. You know, the whole sick thing pass on one somebody to next. But today, I get a little energy for go to and just, you know, free my mind. Dipping in some water, you know, long when I gotta see people. Yes, so I have that for sure. I don't know today how I spend my day. And how I release all, if I stress then call it, but I don't think I stress. You know, you just take off some burdens, yeah, people. And within this video, I'm gonna also share with you guys my sister's anniversary. Today is her anniversary. I think it's her 10th. I think it's her 8 or 7. I want to talk to them 8 or more. But I just want to wish my sister a happy anniversary, and I wish that they both live to see many more to come, and hope that their family stay together through thick and thin. Yes, and I wish you all the best, Mrs. Allen. I'm gonna share a little clip, yeah, from Yasso to Yasso. So you know, when you come from nothing to something, so I share a little clip with my sister at the end of the beach video, guys. So thanks again for always staying in tune to everything that's going on over here. Even when we take long for post, we know we still have a lot of supporters. Them people time so pass, so we not give YouTube no rest. We gotta post every day. So not just go and roll out with it, because me personally not give up. I can tell you that. Yeah, we not give up. Right too. So just stay tuned and watch everything we are going. Peace out. So basically, people may have to record over back. As you can see, when me and my sister just go out there and we have view at the place. We look on the people that might enjoy themselves. At one point, I never want to go into the water, but you know, a good girl brave up. We decide to take a tour and go over which part of the falls there. So we just start walk and feel out the water first and look on the nice clean view.
Business.
People,
hey,
like,
if I brought no my business.
You really want to go. This is the Little Duns River in Ocherios. You know, say after you swim in the sea, you know, say a salt water that don't say, you know, say after you swim in the sea, you have like a nice fall where you can wash off, don't it? And you have a nice view of the place. You have a place where you can buy food, you can buy drinks, and you don't have to really stress yourself. It's a nice little place where you can really bring your family and cool out. People may not lie, life nice, so more while you have to just enjoy it while it lasts. My baby can't say never come to the beach, even though I'm not born yet. Talk truth, no man. And people trust me, I really enjoyed the day, and the breeze down there was lovely. One time I'm gonna swim and drop asleep in the water. Just kidding. But people look on the place, talk truth. Yeah man. Also beach nice. Yeah. One place get nice, so just look on the nice view, people. And leave down in the comment section which part of the beach you like the most. You see me? Yeah, can meet it like every part, right? Yeah, it's only a pity say I'm gonna get somebody for video more, right, people? But through I go into the water, I'm gonna video more, so I go on. You see me? When I time I want a stranger me for ask when we are come back out of the water for video me and my sister walk a go up. So you know, you go people, I never really have nobody for video. So I couldn't forget for swim. Me and swim and I go on with myself. Yeah, I can't swim, people. I can't swim. Alright, over here, so as you can see, people, at the falls like over here, so no water, not cold like that falls water. Yeah, people. Me, say me I go climb the falls. Guess what me do now? Me sit down on the rock and make the water beat for me. Cause me not try climb that. The rock them slippery, people. Yeah, man. But as I say, it's a nice view, and over there just comfortable and alright. Just when breeze start lick up on them place, yeah, jaja. Man, ask Christ. Yeah, man. And as I say, people, the view really nice. Yes, so see them now, I walk off people. Shots never fix good, but it never matter because me that try dry it up so we can walk go further over the falls, but it start wet up. So I decided to go over back and go change so we can go swim and to reach at the river late again people. But I did want to make sure say me enjoy myself this time around because enough time I go beach I'm not going into the water. So this time I did have to really, you know, take the dip. And people, so when we are go back up, I'm excited for going into the water. I don't know why. But this time around, me excited for going into the water. You can see it right here, so say, good girl get wet. So you see the hours when I come out of water, to water sweet. Yeah, and me already take a wash off over the falls already for wash off the salt, wash out the salt water out of my hair. Yeah, so me there, so I'm going to ease back. Yeah, and I'm going to video myself. You know the dragons go people. Yes, dance for some me a dance right they say now queen battery draw me a teen and shoot. Wine and go on with myself, yeah. You know more why I have to enjoy life. Start shoot no man. Normal life. So right here so now I decide to change job. So I ask my little sister for video me. Yes, so she have video me. When me I drink milk of cran juice and I rub down my baby and wake go. So here still waiting one. That take a time before it dry. But besides after we left the finish swimming, we now go straight to home. We just go easy back a little bit and music did I play. Yes, and yes, so I just take the camera and feel for rub down my baby because I'm not stop movement. Whenever I say, Mommy go back in the water, Mommy go back in the water. I have to say, yo, easy no man. Easy no man, there's a time and place to everything. No sir, this is normal. So I call my sister in the video because she keep on I come out of the video. So she go walk come over, but I don't know, with her plate of food in her hand. Yes, she eat full belly. Cause you know say after a long swim, you know say you go hungry. So me did want a little more entertainment. So me did this now. I asked them to play some music. But you know me not gonna be the one to get up and dance. So this is my little entertainment that I got. Yes, they entertained me. They made me feel special, and I do appreciate it because you know, saying enough people are gonna put out there all to make sure say, yeah, you really enjoy yourself. But Rasta go on with himself, man, not like talk truth, no man. Yeah, man, Rasta really go on with himself. Rasta ensure say, I stay entertained. Well entertained. Yeah man, in dance and go on with himself. I don't know whether dance name do. I must fly, or with the drunk crow, on an eagle, or stop what me. People, I know. I did have to cut out the sound all the time. I sorry when you never hear me go on, but I laugh all the time. At one point in time, I call my little sister and say, come mash him up. And see her there, yeah, she had to stir fry. Oh, anyway, 1 million, that's a little bit, go over here, so with you. Yeah, people, I'm not lie, they entertain me a lot. Me enjoy my day. And I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video because I do. And people, remember, while you now watch the video, remember to like, share, comment, and spam out the comment section. Please, people, share out the video them. Tell a friend to subscribe. Yes, thank you.